A very good morning, children. Let us start today's science class with how a nutrient replenish in the soil. How a nutrient replenish in the soil. How nutrient replenish in the soil means कि whatever the plants used up the nutrients from the soil in their growing season, the soil become infertile. When soil becomes infertile, the farmers add nutrients to the soil to maintain its fertility for the next season plant. Okay, so how the farmers maintain the fertility of the soil? There are different ways to maintain the fertility of the soil. Okay, some rhizobium bacteria also present in the root nodules of the leguminous plants that also maintain the fertility of the soil. And the whatever the plants and animals get to die, they get decomposed automatically, and in this way the soil fertility of the soil get maintained. And some farmers also add fertilizers to the soil. These fertilizers are also rich in different nutrients required by the plants. In this way, by adding fertilizers, farmers also enrich the fertility of the soil. And in the farmers, in the forest, listen to, in the forest there are lot of plants and all plants are healthy growing, but there nobody is going to add water and plants and giving manures and the fertilizers in the forest. But how all these plants are healthy and smooth developing plants? Because there is a nutrient cycle automatically going on in the forest. All the plants and animals get to die, they get decomposed and mixed with the soil. In this way nutrient of the soil is maintained, and the whatever the plants develop in the forest all are healthy. Look at here. Here is a 4.4 ways to enrich the soil by their nutrients. Farmers use 4 ways to enrich the fertility of the soil. Look at here. First one is the decomposition of the dead plants and animals. This is the first way to enrich the fertility of the soil. Okay. Next one is the bacteria like rhizobium. We have studied about the bacteria rhizobium that convert the atmospheric nitrogen into soluble form nitrogenous compound. In this way also soil get enriched by the nutrient. The soil also get enriched or becomes fertile. The two ways are there. Next ways, look at here. Farmers also add manure fertilizers to the soil. These fertilizers are rich source of different nutrients. So whatever the plants require nutrients, farmers add some specific nutrients. This is fertilizers are found in specific nutrients. Suppose कि we are going to develop a leguminous plant, that means कि what type of new fertilizers that plant need? That plant need nitrogenous fertilizers. So fertilizers are of different types, different fertilizers having different nutrient according to the requirements of the plant. Now come to the next point. Next is the manures. Do you know manures? Manures are the simple homemade fertilizers. Homemade compost. Do you know compost? Compost, when the dead parts of plants and animals get decomposed, that forms manures. That is the organic material that is very useful plant. There is no any chemical. So mostly try to add manures to the soil to increase the fertility of the soil, isn't it? There are 4 ways to enrich the fertility of the soil. First one is the decomposition of dead parts of plants and animals. Second one is the adding fertilizers, that is a chemical that are soluble in water, and these fertilizers are present in different nutrients according to the plants. Farmer add fertilizers to the soil. Next one is the bacteria like rhizobium that present in the root nodules of the leguminous plant that automatically convert the atmospheric gaseous form of nitrogen into nitrates and ammonium salt that are soluble in water, and roots of the plants easily absorb and supply to all parts of the plant. And fourth one is the manures. Manures are the compost made by using some worms. Whenever the plants and animals get die, they decompose by some microorganism, bacteria, and some worms also, and these manures are formed. These manures are organic matter, organic materials that support the fertility of the soil. Now look at here. The plants remove the nutrients from the soil as they grow. when the different plants grow in the field, same plants grow in the field, that means ki same nutrients get used by the plant, that means ki there is a same type of nutrients get reduced in the soil. So farmers add that specific nutrient to the soil to maintain the fertility of the soil. These nutrients need to be reintroduced into the soil and the remain productive. Farmers usually enrich the soil by adding manures and the fertilizers. These are materials that contain one or the more nutrient fertilizers of different nutrients. They are added to the soil according to the requirement of the plant. Where no one goes up now, see, I have also discussed with you कि in the forest nobody is going to add manures and the fertilizers and the water to the plant, but how the plants becomes healthy and grow very smooth way, because there is automatically mineral cycle going on in the forest, because some animals and plants and animals get die and they get decomposed, automatically mineral cycle going on over there and maintain the fertility of the soil with nutrient. As they discussed just about rhizobium bacteria also maintain the fertility of the soil by converting atmospheric nitrogen into nitrates. Okay, this topic, how the nutrients replenished in the soil. This topic is okay, how the fertility of the soil is maintained by the farmers. So you must write 4 points. First point is decomposition of dead parts of plants and animals. Second one is by adding fertilizers to the soil. And third one is bacterium like rhizobium convert the atmospheric nitrogen into nitrates. And fourth one is manures. Manures means whenever the dead parts of plants and animals get decomposed and converted into manures. These 4 points are very important to enrich the fertility of the soil, isn't it? I think you have understood this topic, how the farmers replenish the fertility of the soil, okay, by using different process, by using chemical fertilizers, manures, decomposition and rhizobium bacteria, isn't it? Thanks for listening me and thanks for watching this video.